2023. So our company name is Affluence Event Company, and this is our logo. Our tagline is where the luxury meets perfection. Contact details, email, affluenceeventcompany@gmail.com, Facebook, Affluence Event Company, phone 0985-3769615, address Malbuon, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Company profile is Affluence Event Company is luxury event planning company that is specialized in creating extravagant and affluent experiences for clients. They offer a range of services including high-end wedding planning, corporate gala management, social event design, luxury destination event planning, and VIP concierge services. With a strong online presence and vision to exceed clients' expectations, Affluence Event Co. aims to redefine luxury events experiences. Our mission is Affluence Events Company is dedicated to creating unforgettable and affluent event experiences that exceed clients' expectations. By providing unparalleled service, creativity, and attention to detail, ensuring every event is a true reflection of luxury and grandeur. Our vision is to premier luxury event planning company known for setting new standard of affluence and sophistication in the industry, delivering extraordinary events that leave a lasting impression of luxury and extra elegance. Company service, corporate galas, destination events, VIP concierge, event design, fashion show, personalized gift, and event marketing. This is our event management team. And our previous successful event, the executive event, the Global Impact Awards, the Visionary Summit, the Leadership Forum. The event general director, Leia Shadows, event head director, Edwin May Abainta, assistant head director, Ian Joseph Porteos, overall event director, Karen Nagalan, event manager, Vince Rafael Casas, event coordinator, Joshua Pandiputo. This is our organizational chart. And the letter of intent is August 31, 2024. Miss Agatha Bautista, President of Elegance Event Company, San Isidro Liman, Camarines. Dear Miss Agatha Bautista, Affluence Events Company excited to express our interest in collaborating with you to create a spectacular fashion show for your upcoming Eternal Bloom collection. We are deeply impressed by your innovative design, unique aesthetic craftsmanship, and believe our expertise in event production aligns perfection with your vision. We imagine a show that will envision a fashion show that embodies the essence of elegance and romantic beauty, showcasing the timeless grace of Eternal Bloom collection held in SK Building, Libmanan, Camarines Sur, a serene and enchanting setting with a lush greenery, natural light, and sense of tranquility. This would create romantic and eternal backdrop. We are eager to discuss your vision in greater detail and explore how we can collaborate to bring your dream fashion show to life. Please let us know your availability for a meeting at your earliest convenience. Sincerely yours, Joshua Pandiputo, Event Coordinator of Affluence Event Company, Libudos, Libmanan, Camarines Sur, Joshua Pandiputo at gmail.com, 0963-47-39476. Proposal to handle Affluence Gala, a night of unforgettable experiences on February 23, 2025, Saturday at SK Building, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. Name of sponsor, Miss Agatha Bautista. Proposed date of event, February 23, 2025. Event outline, name of the event, fashion show of Eternal Bloom collection. Event theme, a night of redefined indulgence celebrating luxury, style, and sophistication. Estimated duration of the event, 5 hours. Venue, Bagong Bayan, Libmanan, Camarines Sur. So our briefly description. What? The fashion show of Eternal Bloom collection is a luxurious and sophisticated event that epitomized and grandeur when February 23, 2025 at 6 p.m. at 11 p.m. where Stable Dinitman and Bakumbay Camarines who the event is targeted toward discerning individuals seeking an unforgettable evening of luxury, style, and sophistication. While the fashion show of Eternal Bloom Collection aims to create a memorable experience for attendees, showcasing the exceptional event, planning capabilities of fashion show, and leaving a lasting impression of luxury and elegance. How the event will feature redefined decor, gourmet cuisine, live entertainment, and exclusive VIP experiences, creating an atmosphere of extravagance and elegance. This is our invitation, a night of unforgettable experiences. So this is our vicinity map and floor plan. Program, event gala, a night of extravagance and elegance. Dress code, black tie. Our event low is 6 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. Welcome reception, 6:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. Cocktail hour, 7 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Dinner, 7:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Entertainment, 8 p.m. to 8:30 keynote speaker, 8:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. dessert and coffee, 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. to 10 p.m. dancing and entertainment, 10 p.m. to 11 p.m. late night snacks and drinks. This is our venue and food proposal, main course, honey lemon chicken, beef tenderloin. For dessert is strawberry panna cotta, salad, and for appetizer is cocktail meatballs, smoked salmon cucumber bites, and this is for drinks. But for budget outline A is subtotal before taxes 715,000 and grand total is 1,014,800.
Next na saan?
Budget outline 2 is subtotal before taxes is 950,000, grand total 1,349,000.
Next na saan?
This is our quotation for venue rental. Subtotal 200,000 and grand total 400,000. Quotation for food. Subtotal 50,000. Food for option B 60,000. Memorandum of Agreement. Memorandum of Agreement between Opulence Event Company and Elegance Company as of November 4, 2024. This memorandum is entered on November 4, 2024 between Opulence Event Co., organizer and fashion show Elegance Event Co. The purpose of this agreement is to establish a collaborative partnership between Opulence Event Co. and Elegance Event Company for the provision, event planning, management, and floral decoration services. Terms and conditions, event responsibilities,
Pag yun, yung payment lang.
so, payment, total payment of 1,014,800. Payment shall be made into two installments. 50% the amount of 507,000 upon sharing of this MOA, and remaining 50% amount of 14 days before the event. Memorandum of Agreement, Opulence Events Co. Hereinafter. Event details, title, Eternal Bloom Collection, date February 23, 2025, location, Bagong Bayan, Ligman, Camarines Resort.
Wala na yung next. Ang dami mo namang reservation.
Cancellation. In the event cancellation by organizer, the reservation fee shall be non-refundable. Vendor reserve the right to cancel this agreement at any time for any reason in which case venue shall refund the reservation fee to organizer.
Ang dami naman na reservation.
Reservation of agreement,
Wait lang. French, what?
SWOT analysis, strength, great reputation, known for high quality luxurious event,
Bullet
unique experience, strong vendor network, creative team, weakness, high cost, vendor defense, brand recognition, opportunities, market growth, eco-friendly option, teach integration, trends, strong competition, economic change, shifting trends. Action plan,
Bullet
effects.
lang. Permits.
This is our permit.